Yeah. Well, it's Monday night, October the 28th, about 5 o'clock. We are getting back at it. Daryn's fixing to clean up his mess he made yesterday. Supervisor number 3.
They're doing that?
I mean, they look a lot better.
They do look a lot better, yeah.
Flush them out. LED bulbs. Max decided to come out and help tonight.
What did you do? Finally. What the hell? I'll take it apart. You sure it comes apart?
Yeah, the whole head comes apart. You can put any kind of.
Oh.
Daryn says we need an audio upgrade on the speakers.
No, they just need to be black. You're really messing with people to be like, he's worried about the color of the speaker. No.
I think they need to be red. So Sony explodes from Walmart would be great. I think we can cut a couple subwoofers in underneath.
These retrofit kits should be here tomorrow. Went ahead and changed all the bulbs out to LED on the 4-foot fixtures. We're 1 bulb short. Definitely brightens it up in here. Got them 2 updated. Pulled the countertop out. All the doors have been broke down. They're taken out. Well, we're getting a lot of stuff in that we ordered from S&S and clean this thing up. Got our shine kits. I'm gonna start working on this thing today. Did a little hand shine on that one. Buffed out pretty good. I can't wait to see what it does with the machine polisher, as well as this spot right here. That's by hand. She's gonna clean up nice. Gonna get at it. I think Daryn's going to shear the aluminum for the trailer doors tonight. Get that all cut out and ready to go, and we'll see what happens with it. Stick around. A little before. Well, I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference. This side's not done. This side is. Headlights done. It looks a lot better than that one. This one's all cloudy. That one's pure shine. Looks like almost brand new again. Almost. It's gonna be a long process, but we'll work at it. We got a couple months. Well, it's Saturday, November 2nd. Got the headlights off, both of them. Got a little fixture made so I can get the back side of it. Couldn't get the whole thing polished on the truck, so took them off, and that's what it looks like starting with. This has been cut but not colored yet. Getting at it. Nasty, dirty job, but it'll look better when it's done. She definitely looks goofy with no headlights. That's for sure. What a process. It ain't even an 1/8 of the way done yet. Well, she's back together. Got her headlights installed. Still got to finish the grill surround and do the bumper. But I just wanted to get enough done so I could get the headlights back on in case we had to move it or something. You definitely see the line where it stops right there. That's not been done. That has. I don't know if it shows up on video or not, but it is definitely a difference. These headlights turned out great. Got them shined up, all put back together. Another day down, a lot more to go. Well, it's Monday, November 4th, back here at Daryn's. He went yesterday and sheared all this stuff and got it bent up. Started installing. He's got this, the back part of it, almost done. Gonna be nice. Gonna be nice for sure. Bodies by DK. Cabinet doors by DK.
All your guys' negative comments last year.
We got our LED kit in, a retrofit kit for these little 2-footers. And we're gonna order one more. Split the difference, put bulb in here. This one's still gotta be done. That way there's 3 bulbs in there and it don't look like a dark spot in the middle. She's coming along. About 2 more weeks, this thing will be done. As far as the lights and the cabinet doors. Well, it's Friday afternoon, about 5 o'clock. November the 8th, back out here at Daryn's. He's making progress. We got pink everywhere. We're gonna get the rest of these doors stripped down tonight, taken apart, so he can go shear the metal tomorrow and get this part of the project wrapped up. Bit of a long video, but, or maybe not a long video, but encompassing 2 weeks worth of work here. This car is sold. This is our 23 car. It is ready to go down the road. Don't know for sure when he's coming to pick it up, but it is going to a new home. Going to Arkansas. He needs something. Shit has gotten serious here in a hurry. Trying to get that panel out. Had to take upper cabinet out, lower cabinet out. Things are not going well tonight, or as quick as we had hoped. It's always something. Yeah, now that we dicked around with an hour getting one panel out.
Good Lord.
Serious work going on in here. We got progress going on here today. Pull it towards you. That's good. It's a good way to slice your thumb off again.
Should be all right.
Setting up bins.
Be okay till it's not.
Till it's not, yeah.
20 7/8. 25 minus 17, 75.
I'm just gonna lay everything out against this wall here so we know kind of how to
Are we going 3/4 again?
pick and choose.
Starting at 3/4?
What do you mean?
You guys did like 80, didn't you?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, do that.
Yeah. more you know, the more you know.
Yeah.
19 and a half. 19 and a half minus 15. Half.
Are you gonna need to bend this?
175. What?
Are you gonna need to bend this?
So actually, I need to rip them down with a circular saw.
So that's perfect.
I need to rip them down.
What do you mean?
I need to
17 and 3
I need to
quarters.
set up a fence, and then I need to run a circular saw and cut this.
Why don't you just put it in the fucking chop saw?
What do you mean?
Oh, we could put this in your bandsaw, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Perfect. I'm glad I brought you the machine shop. And then this one,
Is this bend gonna be in it though?
this one's staying the exact same bend wise. This one I need to shear this bend off of it
Yeah.
because I'm putting a corner cap that goes.
He's got a bandsaw over there too with a fence on it. that we
I'm
can-
saying, I'm trying to
Oh,
figure
perfect.
out.
Yeah, that's how I'll get this
Stand-up
off.
band.
Yeah, I'll get that off of that.
Yeah.
You're gonna do this, right?
No, he's gonna polish it. We're just gonna rip
Oh.
it.
We just got to cut it down to the right height.
Okay, gotcha.
And actually, that may fit in that other shear because that blade comes up a lot
Okay,
farther.
that's
It won't like
It's
try
my
to
first step.
break that.
No, I think it's not.
Why can't you use an evolution saw?
I don't think the throat's big enough for that. Hey.
Boy, this makes shit a lot easier,
Oh
don't
my
it?
God, it's fucking ignorant. All right, they're ready for you, buddy.
All of them already?
What?
All of them?
I just got these 3 and I'm done.
This one's been done already, the big piece?
You said you wanted these at 16 and a quarter this way. So, uh-oh.
But
All of them went to the floor, never mind. So this is 19 and a quarter to 16 and a quarter, so that would be 3 inches.
well, we're making progress here. Still got them 2 to do. There's 2 of them. Gonna be a lot of buffing. 3 Stooges over here are making progress too.
We're doing something.
We don't look like we just. I don't think you can put that in. That might be considered racist.
Oh,
You'll have to beep that out.
beep.
Yeah. What?
So which one's the third one, Curly? The Three Stooges.
I never watched Three Stooges, so I couldn't tell you.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
Oh, not.
Why
Like
would
it just happens to pop on the TV.
It's
every-
black and white, dude.
No,
Like,
it's not.
yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Not all.
Three Stooges is not all black and white.
A lot of it is.
Not all
I
of
mean, we
it.
hit the 2000s and they could remake that shit. Throw a little color in it.
Should I
AI colored it in.
Yeah, exactly.
Do what?
Should I bend these back straight first? Or just measure it?
So wait, that one has to be completely redone because we're lengthening it.
But there's no notes on it.
Yeah, I know.
I go off of notes.
Okay, well, I got, actually, funny enough,
It's in that pea-sized brain of his.
right here. So the front door will be 54 and an eighth. The back panel.
What a project, huh?
which is on, still on that
Right,
thing that's
never
silicone, we'll make it at 54.
Oh, shit.
Well, taking something that looks like that, turning it into that. We'll take it means it's going to be mounted on the floor and you're going to be 3 foot above it looking at it on an angle. Shines pretty dang good. Loading junk up. Or not junk, but loading good panels up. They got everything sheared and bent. Round 2.
You want them? Oh, for my house?
Yeah.
It's been raining all day. That's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. Let us know what you think. Catch you later.